Insurance basic homeowner insurance provides financial protection against distress. It is a package policy which means that cover both damage, property liability or legal responsibility for any injuries and property damage. Policyholder of their families cause to other people. This includes damage caused household pets, damage caused by the most destroyer covered, but we are expectation standard homeowner policies do not cover flooding, earthquake or poor maintenance. Flood coverage, however, available in the from a separate policy, both from the National Flood Insurance Program (NFIP) and from a few private insurance. Earthquake coverage is available either in the from the endorsement or a separate policy. Most maintenance related problems are the homeowner responsibility. A standard homeowner insurance policy include essential type of coverage that include number one, coverage of a structure of a home. This part a policy pays repair, rebuild a home if it damaged or the destroyed by fire, hurricanes, hail, lightning, other disaster listed in the policy. It will not pay for damage caused by a flood, earthquake, or routine wear tear. Most standard policies also cover structures that are not attached to a house, such as carriage, tool, shed, gazebo, joinery. Covered these structures are covered for about 10% of the total amount of insurance on the structure of the homes. Number two, coverage for a personal belongings. For frontier clothes, support equipment, and the personal items are the cover if they are stolen or the destroyed by fire, hurricane, or the other insured destroyed. Most companies provide coverage for the 50 to 70% of the amount insurance as the companies the structure of a home. This part policy include of the premises coverage. This means that belongings are covered anywhere in the world unless the policyholder has decided against of the premise coverage. Expensive items like jewelry, set hold jewelry, falls and the silvers and covered, but there are usually dollar limit if they are stolen. To ensure these items their full value, include can purchase a special personal property endorsement or floater or insure the item for the appearance value. Trees planted sharp also covered standard homeowner insurance. Generally, they are 500 per items. Parallel covered are theft, fire, lightning, explosion, vandalism, road and failing aircraft. They are not covered for the damage by the wind of disease. Liability coverage protects against the cost liability of for bodily injury, property damage. The policy or family member cause other people. It also pays the damage caused by pets. The liability portion of the policy pays both the cost defending the policy holder in court and court award up the limit of the policy. Coverage is not just home, extend anywhere in the world. Liability generally about level 1 lakh. However, expert recommended homeowner purchase 3 lakh worth protection. An umbrella access liability policy which provides the border coverage including claim for label cylinder as well as higher liability limit can be added to the policy. Generally, umbrella policies cost between 200 to 315 for 1 million of additional liability protection. Homeowner policies provide no fault medical coverage in the event they someone is injured. Policyholder whom the injured person can simply submit medical bill to the policyholder insurance company in the way expense are paid without liability claim being filed. The coverage, however, does not pay the medical bill for the policyholder, own family or pets. Number four, additional living expense. This pays additional cost of living away from home. It is house inhabitable due to the damage from the fire, storm, or other insured disaster cover hotel bill, restaurant meals, and the other extra living expense incurred while the home being rebuilt. Coverage for additional living expense different from the company. Many policies, many policies provide coverage for about 20% of the insurance on a house. The coverage can be increased for an additional premium. Some companies sell a policy that provide unlimited amount of loss. Use a cover age but for a limited amount of time. Additional living expense coverage also remember, however, who rent out part their home for the rent that would have been collected from a tenant if the home had not been destroyed.